This is cool. This is like, that's rock.
Yeah. Our friend Brenda.
Sea glass. There's a cardinal. The nest.
Not the old family. I love the wing star.
Look at that.
Yeah.
She even has like a knot in the tree there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
This cute little squirrel.
Cute little, that's a knot.